Well, here's the problem with this EONON Radio. Um, it's actually dead, and the problem is once it goes to a state where it will not turn on, I think it will drain the battery because even if you turn off the car, this thing still lights up, which is really bad. So yeah, if I don't disconnect this, it will definitely drain my battery. So this is really a major problem with this kind of Android stereo. I don't know. I'm gonna go back to use the I'm gonna use the what they call that, the old one. But yep, this is bad. So I'm currently removing it now, and if you look at that, the car is off, and this is still like lighting up. So you need to shift the car into neutral or drive to have space to pull this out. And what I'm going to do is try to disconnect this one, or maybe on this one. Which one is easier? Probably I'm gonna try disconnect this from here. So I disconnected this connector, and then I'm gonna reconnect it again. So if you look at that, it's turning on now when I reconnected it. So yep, it's kind of a hassle though, because you cannot like secure this radio permanently, because from time to time you need to disconnect it to reboot the system. So now it's working fine. The car is on. Now I'm going to turn it off. Then take the key out. Yep, it should power off. See, and then this is off. And this is like still like lighting up. This one is not lighting up anymore. So we'll try turning it on again. Yep, it automatically turns on. Yep, so when I press the brake pedal, the lights turn on, and now it's ready. Yeah, I don't know. I hate doing this over and over again, or I might probably try like a hidden switch somewhere to like reboot this system. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. Or probably go back to the original system. Well, that's it. If anybody is like having this same model and you suddenly realize that it went blank or like nothing at all, yeah, just disconnect it at the back. It should go back to life. Disconnecting it. The battery out, turns off. There.